The second thing after storing your crypto successfully in a wallet is how secure is my crypto in that particular wallet. Alright, so you agree with me that the security of your MetaMask is as important as you storing the crypto inside that MetaMask. Okay, this is a video that shows you how to secure your MetaMask from hackers, from infiltrated website, from phishing links. This is how to keep your MetaMask safe from all those hackers. Alright, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy the tutorial.
Let's start out by going to my wallet, my MetaMask wallet right here. So while that is loading up, boom. Okay, so MetaMask wallet always requires some security before you can log in. Okay, this is my MetaMask wallet. This is how it looks like. All right, so I click on the dashboard right there, the menu bar right there, that's there, and then it will take me to the menu where I will see a lot of options. I could even view my activities that has been carried on this wallet on MetaMask. All right, then here now where you are going to click on settings. When you click on settings, let's click on security and privacy. Okay, this is where your recovery phrase.
MetaMask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on MetaMask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key. Whoever holds the key controls the accounts. Your secret recovery phrase is your master key. It's a series of 12 words that are generated when you first set up MetaMask, which allow you to recover your wallet and funds if you ever lose access. It's important that you secure your wallet by keeping your secret recovery phrase very safe and very secret. If anyone gets access to it, they will have the master key to your wallet and can freely access and take all of your funds. To secure your MetaMask wallet, you'll want to safely save your secret recovery phrase. You can write it down, hide it somewhere, put it in a safe deposit box, or use a secure password manager. Some users even engrave their phrase onto a metal plate. Nobody, not even the team at MetaMask, can help you recover your wallet if you...
And then you come to this experiment side. You see experiment where it shows where you are connected to. Look at this experiment here. Okay, click on experiment. Now view section, view the list of active wallet connect section. Now this list are those websites that you are actually connected to. These are a list of the website you are actually connected to. All right, so now I'll click here to view the list of options my wallet is actively connected to. Oh geez, I'm actively connected to these people, Rubik Exchange. All right, I didn't know this till I checked this. Now these people actually have my recovery phrase. If they want to do anything to my wallet, or if I have any token in my wallet and they want to take anything, they can take everything and anything from my wallet. Okay, so now what I have to do right here, if you're the one, let's say, connected to a website to buy a token or to perform an airdrop or to do anything, okay, I have to click here, click on it, hold it down, and then end section. Boom, I just ended the session. Okay, so I'm no longer connected to those people. Let me view again. Okay, no longer connected to them. So that's what you actually do to actually keep yourself safe from every infiltration. Okay, so the same thing happens when you're visiting all these browsers. You just have to be careful the kind of link you visit. All right, so that is it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.
Alright,